Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to subscribe to Linktree Pro. Now let us begin. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to get the Pro version. Well, what you guys can do is simply click on this button right here that says Try Pro for free. Click on it right now. And once you click on it, this thing will pop up. All you guys have to do is click on this button that says Try Pro for free. Click on it right now. Well guys, this is it. Once you click the button, you will be redirected to this page. All you guys have to do is enter your credit card details right here and scroll down, add the billing address along with the trial subscription. You can change annual or monthly. It's up to you. Do note that you can also add a coupon code. Once everything's okay, simply hit on this button that says Start Your Free Trial, and then you will be subscribed to Linktree Pro. That is it guys, that's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.